Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, Saudi Arabia's Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA, quietly released its updated regulatory framework for software as a medical device, or SAMD, with a major focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. This move is a critical signal to the global medtech community that the kingdom is not just open for digital health business, but is setting a new higher standard for entry. The new guidance clarifies the classification, validation, and post-market surveillance requirements for these advanced technologies. For instance, any AI diagnostic tool that directly informs clinical decision-making is now likely to fall into a higher risk category, demanding more rigorous clinical evidence. Specifically, the SFDA now mandates that any AI algorithm must be validated using data from the local Saudi population. This is a game changer. It means that a one-size-fits-all global algorithm, even with existing CE or FDA approval, is no longer sufficient for market access. A company with an AI-powered cancer detection platform, for example, must now conduct or source a local clinical study to prove its algorithm's efficacy and lack of bias within the Saudi demographic. This presents a significant logistical and financial hurdle. Furthermore, the framework introduces stringent cybersecurity protocols, requiring manufacturers to demonstrate robust protection against data breaches, aligning with the kingdom's national data sovereignty laws. This isn't just about compliance, it's about building trust in digital health solutions. This development creates a dual reality for medtech innovators. On one hand, the path to market is clearer than ever before. There is a defined checklist. On the other hand, the cost and complexity of entry have increased. Companies must now view Saudi Arabia not as a secondary market for expansion, but as a primary market requiring a dedicated, localized strategy from the outset. This shift favors well-prepared companies that can navigate local clinical and data requirements. It's a strategic move by the SFDA to filter for the highest quality, most secure, and most relevant technologies for its healthcare system. Understanding these new rules is the key to unlocking one of the fastest-growing medtech markets in the world. For expert guidance on navigating these new SAMD and AI regulations in Saudi Arabia and other MENA markets, email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit Pure Global online.